This is NBC6 South Florida Today.
Now that we're looking our best from neck down, let's talk a little about those eyes. Joining me now is Dr. Bauman, along with eyelash stylist Ellie Malmin. And we're talking about getting long, luscious eyelashes and even transplants today. You kind of like revolutionized this for the entire area.
Well, it's been a lot of fun. We're certainly growing a lot of long lashes, and those lashes need some care. So we built a little cottage industry here.
Fantastic. Explain to me eyelash transplants for folks who haven't seen what you do.
Okay, well, what we're doing is we're harvesting hair from the back of the scalp, implanting them into the eyelid, where they'll live and grow forever.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
now,
so Jodi is an eyelash transplant recipient.
Ah, her lashes are beautiful. I don't know if, can you get a close-up on those wrists? Her lashes are absolutely gorgeous. Now, once you get the transplant, is it just like regular lashes, or do I have to do stuff to keep them, you know,
that's
looking
the thing.
Gorgeous like Jodi's are?
They're not like regular lashes. They're going to live and grow long, like they would, those follicles would in the scalp. So there's some maintenance involved. You do have to trim them, perm them, tint them perhaps, and that's why we have Ellie, who is our eyelash stylist on board.
Okay, Ellie, now tell me, what do you do to keep Jodi's lashes looking so beautiful? Because I would have never known that anything had happened.
Well, what I've done, we did one eye, and we want to start by first perming the eye. So this is a little perm rod that clips into space, and then it just lifts the eyelashes up.
Is it like a curler kind of?
It's like a curler, and we use perm solution with it. That is made for the eye area, and then these are rods that I can use if I want to customize curl. Let's say she wants some lashes curled and some not, because her natural lashes have a flip to them.
Alrighty.
So then I can customize the curl. And then we use a vegetable solution which actually tints the lashes, because the tips will turn light from the sun or from whatever we're outside running around in our convertible. So that's what we've done to Jodi, is we've actually tinted and permed this eye, and then we have a special little scissors which I groom and cut the lashes with. So when there's one that is too long or out of place, is all you do is trim the lash.
So they can grow like super long. Okay, they can, Jodi.
Absolutely.
Alrighty.
And in no time at all.
Oh, wow. Are you happy with the results, though?
I am so happy. Absolutely phenomenal.
What were your lashes like before?
They were short, sparse, very, very difficult to curl. It took me so much longer to put mascara on, really accentuate my eye. Now it's so easy. I'm in and out of the house in the morning, which is great for me.
Now, how often do you have to see Ellie to get like the full treatment so they really look good?
Like once every 3 months.
Okay, that's not bad at all.
Not terrible.
Okay, Dr. Bauman, how much of a demand has it been for this since you started doing this procedure?
Well, the demand is exploding for long eyelashes, from non-invasive treatments like those medications that we've talked about, eyelash transplantation, but there's a lot of demand for the curling and the styling, because everybody wants that little extra oomph into their lashes.
Okay. Now, for someone who might not want to go the route of transplant, or maybe may not need it, talk about some of those other options they may have.
Eyelash conditioners are a hot product right now. There's a couple of different versions out there. I like the MD Lash Factor that's available by physicians, and that's something that you put directly on the eyelid once before bed each night, and it stimulates eyelash growth.
And how long before you start to see some results?
It takes about 8 weeks or so, sometimes longer in some patients, but about 8 weeks you can see some differences.
Okay, now if I did that, then do I have to go to Ellie to then get those styled too?
Well, some people do. If your lashes grow very, very long and you don't like them hitting your sunglasses, or you want to curl them.
I wish I had that problem.
Well,
You will.
Ellie will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a lot of patients who are just growing long lashes with the medications, and they do need to be trimmed or tinted.
Okay, now to get the procedure that Jodi had, what's that going to cost me?
Eyelash transplantation is $3,000 per eye.
Okay, that's not bad.
Well, it's permanent.
I mean, well, it's permanent, yeah, because, I mean, you get so tired of all the mascara and trying to thicken them up, and it's nice to have it, you know, as a permanent solution. Now, for the non-permanent solution, just the Revitalash or the MD
Lash Factor.
How much is that?
That's going to run between $140 and $175, depending on the type of treatment. MD Lash Factor is $140 for a 3-month supply.
Okay, fantastic. Well, boy, this is food for thought. Yeah. Wait until you see my lashes in 8 weeks. Thank you, Dr. Bauman. Good to see you. Megan, Ellie, Jodi, a pleasure having you. You're gorgeous with those lashes. My goodness. Well, Bauman Medical Group is located at 6861 Southwest 18th Street in Boca Raton, so they're right in our neighborhood, although you've seen them all over the Today Show and everywhere else. For more information, just give them a call at 561-394-0024. Now, over to Bob.